What are the juices, Miss Jam Torch?
Watermelon.
Watermelon?
Yes.
You're gonna pull up a bucket.
What?
You're gonna pull up a bucket.
Yes.
Yeah. All one there.
No, just they're done.
See, you have to do it like this. You have to do it one. That's what you owe.
I'm already.
That's what you owe, yeah.
I'm telling you, my head is aching. I'm not even thinking. My head is. These things are such nice. I had watched them.
Yeah.
They were not. Like Cambodia.
This jam torn juice in a watermelon family.
Come on, unaweza.
Full up so quick.
Yeah. 2 times I'm done. Now.
Oh, this watermelon, we can get like 3 jug out there.
It was very nice and red and fresh.
Fresh. Sweet?
Yeah.
Taste it.
This one or 2.
Wow.
Yeah, I'm putting a lot and then I munch all of them.
Watermelon is sweet.
Very nice.
Go on. Enjoying watermelon. Watermelon juice. Watermelon boy. Watermelon. Watermelon. Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. And today, Miss Jam Tour is in a juicing mode family. I didn't catch the vlog for you, but we actually juice an entire watermelon family. And this is the sludge from the watermelon. I normally blend it up and actually add baobab fruit powder and drink it family. So when you juice a watermelon, you get so much from it. Now she's gonna juice. What's she gonna juice here?
Cucumber.
She's gonna juice cucumber now, family. So which one is easier to juice, cucumber or watermelon?
I think
They have been juicing from week.
Once the nanu is prepared, once the watermelon is prepared.
It's cut. Once you cut up the watermelon.
Yeah, once you cut it nice, it's easy to juice.
Mm.
But you know now this one I'll just pick it and understand?
So how you gonna juice it? You're gonna cut it up or what?
No. Just when it's full. That's how I juice.
That's how you juice it?
Yeah.
I normally cut it up.
Guy, me I put it when it's full. I'll show you an example.
Wow.
Guy.
I'm telling you, a woman is so different from a man family.
If
If you juice in the watermelon, I normally just put one in and you put everything in and just juice it down. I should have shown you guys how she do it.
Yeah.
I'll maybe add a clip that I have.
Imagine
I have here while she was juicing the watermelon family. But trust me, when a man in the kitchen is so different from when a woman is in the kitchen.
You know, I used to wonder.
I remember I says I am the one who start juicing because normally in Africa people don't really juice. Not true, they don't really.
No.
People even have blender and stuff. But as you know, guys, I am like from a transition over to the plant-based style and stuff. A blender and a juicer has to be in my home because those are the things. If I was alone, I would even cook food.
See, I normally see when I go at my mom's place, like once in a blue moon, I ask you, have you cooked? And she just drank juice. Like
Yeah. Yeah, and just to show you guys that, when I actually, be a part of anybody's life, them always transition over to a healthier life and they start to realize the benefits of eating healthy and realizing all of these ailments that you have Even you used to have a lot of ailments, not true?
Yeah, I used to have a lot of pains in my tummy.
Yeah, a lot of digestive and gut problem. These are the main issues you will have, family. So if you want to clear this up, you have to check out Vegan Choice Foods, family. It's a must. Check out Vegan Choice Foods and learn the basic of health. You know what I mean? How to not get sick and how to not get all of these ailments, you know what I mean? So yeah, family. So I have to have a juicer and a blender in my house. My house has to have these things because the blender is working every day. Every morning the blender is working every day. So this is how you do it. I'm impressed because I normally cut it. Or it actually go down. Okay. Wow. Miss Jam Doors! Guy. So quick? Guy. Wow.
I don't cut them.
I never know it could work like this. I'm shocked.
See?
Wow. Okay. I normally cut it. You know, when I was in Greensville, I normally say I cut it.
Yeah, I used to see you cutting.
So what make you start to do it like that?
I don't know. I am like, oh, do I have time to start cutting?
So the first time you cut it was like that?
I've never cut it.
So you just decided to just put it like that?
I just put it, you know, it's already designed to go inside.
Guy? Wow. So you see, family? Wow, there's a lot of juice in cucumber, family. This is the juice your body really need, family.
The last lap.
This is like hydration juice. This is the juice. This is the water your body is made up from.
Yeah.
And not really drinking water. Yeah, this is the water. Water flow like a river. Real water from nature. Real earth water. Wow. Wow.
Done.
Wow, family. I'm impressed. I never know that it could juice like that.
Yeah, you thought you have to keep.
Yeah, I thought you have to keep.
If you notice, even my watermelon, I don't like dice small pieces.
Yeah.
I just do it like
Wow.
wholesomely. That's our juice. Yeah. We're done.
What do you want? I can give me that cup to drink.
Okay.
Yeah, family, I want to taste this cucumber juice. But you know, when I taste it, I remember when I tasted it, sweetie, I was saying that
so thick.
I was telling that it's so different from when I make
How
it.
you make it.
I was like shocked. I was like, you know what I mean? I even like it more because I was surprised to see that.
I noticed once you give me a recipe, I become a better version of.
Yeah, you know to do it better than how I'll do it. Yeah,
So
well, that's to show that, yeah. That's to show that a woman is supposed to be in the kitchen.
But once they are, if you didn't know, like, you know.
Yeah, that's the thing, you know, yeah, that's the thing. Yeah, a teacher teach the student and the student become better. Your family. So you don't want some to
I do.
drink some. And it's so refreshing, it's like it's actually quench your thirst. Very refreshing, family. Very refreshing. Refresh. Come add some more, fill it up for me.
I thought I've drunk enough.
Yeah. Wow. So refreshing, family. So refreshing. Wow. Wow. So refreshing, family. I hope you're enjoying this vlog. And I hope you guys start to actually, you know what I mean, start to use you know, juicing, because this is the water your body is made of from, and not these chlorine water, and not this water that bottled water. This is the juice. If you can drink this juice, you don't need water, family. Coconut water, cucumber juice, and watermelon. These water, actually, God make this water and actually give it to you for you to juice to get the water to drink. So this is true hydration.
This is what fills up our bin.
Our bin.
I don't think that gets filled up with organic.
Yeah, our bin, just as family, our bin is like, it's full of fruits and no meat, crabses.
It's full of this.
Yeah, no meat, crabses. And people been commenting and said they want to see us more in the kitchen doing stuff.
Oh yeah? We'll be doing it more.
Yeah, family. So like, share, and share the video so we can actually be motivated to do this some more. What we're gonna do with this, family, I'm gonna add some baobab.
Next time I'll do another Jamaican choice. You know the other one, I really didn't have the red piece.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, family, this is the baobab fruit powder. You can get it from veganchoicefoods.com. And as you know, it's rich in so much minerals, family. So now I normally add the baobab fruit powder, and then I blend. So this is like the sludge that comes from the blender from the watermelon. I normally blend it up. And the watermelon seed is very good to family. So you're gonna do this.
what?
You're
Oh,
gonna blend
right
it.
now? Okay.
I need to add this for me so I can blend it. I thought you damage your nails.
No. Sorry. Damage my
Clip, clip. Tall fingernail, take a chip. Me know you can peel banana with it. Much less dumpling.
Okay, babe.
You better can cook. Alright, so that's it. Yeah, that's it.
You know, in the morning I saw you put in a lot. That's it.
That's it. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, you can
Should
add
I put
that.
this?
Yeah. And then you can add, maybe you can add some of the watermelon juice to it,
Alright.
because I think it's a little bit too
Thick.
thick.
Too thick.
Yeah, we'll add a little more juice,
Okay.
add some more and then blend. Yeah. I want to blend it up real fine, so I can just put this in another bottle up here. So I will just drink it, right?
Yeah.
You think it's I'll finish it up.
Okay.
Yeah, families, I hope you like the vlog. Like, share, and comment, and let us know your thoughts. Let us know, family, if you will be juicing a lot more, and if you will be drinking these juice instead of drinking this processed concentrated juice. If you will be drinking real juice from nature, real juice. See, I'm talking and you're blending. No food, let me finish up. Let me blend on.
And that was in the kitchen.
Yeah, family. So like, share, and comment on the video. Let us know your thoughts. One love, God bless. Jamaica. I'm out.